Being harassed at work can make you feel uncomfortable, stressed, or even afraid to show up. And many workers stay silent because they don't know what counts as harassment or how to report it. So let's talk about it clearly. How to report workplace harassment in Jamaica and what the law now requires employers to do. Firstly, let us discuss what counts as workplace harassment. Under Jamaica's Sexual Harassment, Protection and Prevention Act 2021, harassment includes unwanted sexual comments or jokes, inappropriate touching or physical contact, requests for sexual favors, sexual messages, texts, or images, threats or promises linked to sexual behavior, creating a hostile or intimidating work environment. The main rule to note is that if it's unwanted or make you feel uncomfortable, it's harassment. Harassment can come from a supervisor, a coworker, a customer or client. There is an important update that you need to know as it relates to sexual harassment. Every employer in Jamaica is now legally required to have a sexual harassment policy. Under the 2021 law, employers must put a policy in writing, share it with all employees, explain how complaints can be made, identify who handles complaints. If your workplace has no policy, that is already a problem. What are the steps to take if you are being harassed? Step 1. Document everything. Before reporting, make sure to protect yourself by documenting everything. Write down dates, times, and locations. Save messages, emails, or screenshots. Note witnesses, if any. Record how the behavior made you feel. Documentation helps to strengthen your complaint. Step 2. Report the matter internally if safe to do so. Most harassment policies require you to report to HR, to a designated officer, or to management. It is important to follow the reporting steps in your workplace policy. You do not have to confront the harasser directly if you don't feel safe. Step 3. What your employer must do. Once a complaint is made, the law requires employers to take the complaint seriously, investigate promptly and fairly, keep the matter confidential, protect you from retaliation, take corrective action if harassment is proven. Retaliation is illegal. Your employer cannot lawfully punish you for reporting harassment. Step 4. What should you do if the harassment continues or the employer does nothing? You have the right to escalate the matter or seek external help. You may report the matter to the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS. Seek legal advice. File a complaint through the courts under the 2021 Act. There are some important protections under the law that you need to know. They are as follows. You cannot be fired for reporting harassment. You cannot be demoted or punished. Confidentiality is required. Employers must act. Silence is no longer the rule. The law is on your side. If you are unsure it's harassment, check for these. If the behavior makes you uncomfortable, is repeated, is sexual in nature, creates fear or pressure, then it is harassment. Trust your instincts and ask questions. If unsure, you can seek advice before filing a formal complaint. Workplaces should be safe, not stressful or threatening. The Sexual Harassment, Protection and Prevention Act 2021 exists to protect workers like you. Know your rights. Use them. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican workers know how to protect themselves at work. Stay informed. Stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.